suns we don't know. A supernova tells us when we have to go. Don't